Today, we're diving into the MSI ProVH Intel B365 LGA 1151 Micro ATX Motherboard, a powerhouse in the world of PC components. This motherboard, sporting the LGA 1151 CPU socket, is a versatile option for a range of builds, whether you're aiming for a budget-friendly setup or a high-performance rig. One of the standout features of the MSI ProVH is its support for DDR4 RAM memory technology, ensuring efficient and reliable performance. With a memory clock speed of 2666 MHz, you can expect smooth multitasking and seamless operation, even during intensive tasks like gaming or content creation. The Intel B365 chipset further enhances the motherboard's capabilities, providing stable and efficient performance for your system. Whether you're a casual gamer, a content creator, or a professional user, this chipset ensures that your PC runs smoothly and reliably. In terms of design, the Micro ATX form factor makes the MSI ProVH a compact yet powerful option for various builds. Its smaller size doesn't compromise on functionality, offering a range of connectivity options and expansion slots to accommodate your needs. Installation is a breeze with the MSI ProVH, thanks to its user-friendly layout and comprehensive documentation. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a newcomer to PC assembly, you'll appreciate the simplicity and efficiency of setting up this motherboard. Overall, the MSI ProVH Intel B365 LGA 1151 Micro ATX motherboard stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to build a reliable and powerful PC. With its impressive features, sturdy build quality, and easy installation process, it's sure to satisfy even the most demanding users. Whether you're building a gaming rig, a workstation, or a multimedia powerhouse, this motherboard has you covered. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.